Dear students, best wishes to you. In this lesson, we discuss about the factors. What are factors? The numbers which divide the given number exactly are called factors of the given number. For example, factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. The 1, 2, 3, 6. 1 divides 6. 1 divides 6. 2 divides 6. 3 divides 6. And 6 divides 6. Now, how to find the factors of 6? Let us take an example. Find factors of 18. Factors of 18. Divide 18 by 1. 1 is the factor of any number. So 1 1 ja 1, 1 8 ja 1 8 ja 8. Remainder is 0. So 1 is the factor of 18. And 1 is the factor of 18. And 18 also factor of 18. Because 1 18 ja 18. 18 1 ja 18. Now let's take 2. 2 9 ja 18. So remainder is 2. Therefore, 2 also factor of 18 and 9 also factor of 18. 9 2 ja 18. 2 9 ja 18. Now let us take 3. 3 6 ja 18. So we got remainder 0. So 3 is the factor of 18 and 6 also factor of 18. Similarly, we divide with 4 also. But here 4 4 ja 16. Here remainder is 2. So it is not factor of 18 because there is remainder. 4 doesn't divide exactly. So this is not factor of 18. Now take 5. 5 3s are 15. Here remainder is 3. So 5 is also not factor of 18. Now let us take 6. 6 3s are 18. Remainder is 0. So 6 is the factor of 18. Now takes 7. 7 2s are 14. 4 is the remainder. So 7 is not factor of 18. Now let us take 8. 8 2s are 16. 2 is the remainder. So 18, 8 is not the factor of 18. Now let's take 9. 9 2s are 18. Remainder is 0. So 9 is the factor of 18. We can stop now. In this way, divide a given number which has 2 digits with numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and check which number divides completely like this. Now write down the factors here. Factors of 18 are here 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18 are the factors. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18 are the factors. We can write 18 using factors. 18 is equal to here 1 into 18, here 2 into 9, 3 into 6, 6 into 3, 9 into 2. So here, if we go from top to bottom, move left, move right, and go upward, the U shape, and write all the numbers which are in these products. 1 is here, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 2 is repeated, 3 repeated, 6 repeated, 9 repeated, and 18 is here. So in this way, we can find the factors of 18. Now, let us take another example. Find factors of 72. Now let us divide 72 by the numbers 1 to 9. Let us take first number 72. Divide by 1. 1 7 ja 7. 1 2 ja 2. So 1 divides 7. Therefore 1 is the factor of 72. And 72 also divides the 72. So 72 are the factor of 72. So 1 is the factor of every number, and every number is factor of itself. Now divide 72 by 2. 2 3s are 6, remainder 1, 2, 2 6 are 12, and remainder is 2. So therefore 2 also factor of 72, 36 also factor of 72. 2 36 are 72, 36 2 are also 72. Now take 3 table. Let's divide the 72 by 3. 3 2 is 6, 12, 3 4 is 12. Remainder is 0. 3 also factor of 72. 24 also factor of 72. Now let's take number 4. 4, 4 1 is 4, 4 8 is 32. So 4 also the factor of 72, and 18 also factor of 72. Now let us divide with 5. 5 1 is 5, 22, 5 4 is 20. So here 2 is the remainder. So 5 is not factor of the 72. Let's take 6. 6 1 is 6, 1 2, 6 2 is 12. Now remainder is 0. 6 is the factor of 72, and 12 also factor of 72. 12 6 is 72, 6 12 is 72. Now let's take 7 table. 7 1 is 7, 2, 0 here. So it is not, remainder is 2 here. So 7 is not factor of 72. Let us take 8 table. 8 9 is 72. We get 0 remainder. So 8 is the factor of 72. Now let us take 9 last number. 9 9 8 is 72. We get remainder 0. And 9 is the factor of 72, and 8 also factor of 72. Now let us write the here which are factors and which are not. 72 is equal to, we can write 1 into 72, then 2 into 36. If you divide 72 by 2, we get 36, and 3 into 24, 4 into 18. 5 does not divide, don't write. Take 6, 6 into 12, and don't take 7 because it is not factor. We take 8, 8 into 9, 9 into 8. Now let us write the factors of 72 from the above products. Or go from like this U shape, write all the numbers, but don't repeat the numbers. 1 2 3 4 6 8, 1 2 3 4 6 8 9 12 18 24 36 72. 8 is repeated, 9 is repeated. So 6 8 9 12 18 24 36, and 72. If you know the division, if you can find directly, you can write like this. You don't need to do all these operations elaborately. So in this way, you can find the factors of 72. For the beginners, this method is very useful. So how many factors of 72 are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 factors. So factors are limited, but multiples are unlimited. So in this way, you can find factors of any number. Now let us take a simple small number. Find factors of 10. Find factors of 10. So we can find directly also. 1 10s are 10, 2 5s are 10, 5 2s are 10. We can stop here. Now remaining numbers does not divide the 10. So we can stop here. Now write the factors of 10. Now write the factors of 10 is equals 1, 2, 5, and 10. Only 10 factors. Now let us take one more number. Find factors of 18. 18. You can write directly also. 1 18 ja 1 18 ja 18. 2 table by dividing 18 by 2, 2 9 ja 18. By dividing 3 table, 3 number, 3 6 ja 18. 4 does not divide 18. 5 does not divide 18. 6 divides 18. So 6 3 ja 18. Now 7 does not divide 18. 8 does not divide 18. 9 divides 9 2 ja 18. Now you can stop the process and write the factors of 18. This method is useful for to find factors of any number up to 100. So more than 100 three-digit numbers, there is another method. I will explain in the next lesson. Now let us write the factors of 18. 1. Factors of 18 are 1, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 6 comma 9, and 2 is repeated, 3 repeated, 6 repeated, 9 repeated, 18. In this way you can find factors easily of any given number. Now I am giving you a task. You have to find. Try yourself. I will give some numbers. You have to try yourself. Find factors of 15, 20, 36, 78, 108. Okay.